1. Introduction. Structs in practice. In our last lesson, we introduced structures, structs, as the blueprint for creating complex, custom data types in C. Today, we will focus on the practical steps. Defining the struct blueprint. Declaring a struct variable based on that blueprint. Accessing the individual members of the struct variable using the crucial dot operator. 2. Defining the struct blueprint. A struct definition creates the template but does not allocate any memory. It just tells the compiler how the data should be organized. We usually define structs globally, outside of main. Syntax for definition. You see here. Example, the student struct you see here. 3. Declaring struct variables. Once the blueprint is defined, we can declare variables, records of that type. This is when memory is actually allocated. Syntax for declaration. You see here. Here, example declarations. 4. Accessing members. The dot operator. To access or modify the individual fields, members, within a struct variable, we use the dot operator. Syntax for access. Code example. Access and modification. 5. Accessing array members within a struct. Remember that a member inside a struct can itself be an array, like name sub 50. To access the entire string, we use student1.name for printing or copying. To access an individual character within that array, we use two sets of indexing. 6. Summary and next steps. You see this table. We now know how to build and manipulate our own custom data types using structs. Our next lesson is 7.3. Exercises, no answers.